Good evening. This is Patrick Dalton here, and today I am going to be doing the interactive advanced concept presentation number 7, which is magnetic fluid. So I apologize if you hear any backward talking, or background talking, in the video. I have a lot of family over for Thanksgiving, but like I said, today we'll be making a magnetic fluid or a ferrofluid. So this is actually a pretty straightforward experiment that we're doing today. So what I am going to be using for this experiment is, in this cup I have myself a bit of vegetable oil. I also have some black toner ink, and I have myself some rare earth magnets as well. So I'll explain in just a second how exactly we'll be using all these things. So the magnets I'm using, these are a bit smaller than what I saw in the demo video, but they are strong, as you can see, and they are rare earth magnets. So hopefully this will be enough for the experiment. What I'm going to do is pour a bit of this toner into this cup. We're aiming for around 50 milliliters of the ink toner. Here I have my glass filled with the ink toner. So next I'm going to take some of my vegetable oil in here and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons inside of this ink toner here. I have the vegetable oil inside of here. I'm going to mix it together just so it can become a heterogeneous mixture and nice and smooth and thin. Right, so it's nice and mixed now. So what I'm going to do next is take my rare earth magnet that I have here, and I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to see if I get this the effect I'm going for here. So yeah, after testing this for some time, I see that I'm not getting the reaction that I would like to have gotten. Yeah, I don't think my magnets are strong enough for this. So I'll explain a little bit of what should have happened and why it should have happened in just a second. I'm just gonna clean up first really quick. Okay, so the goal of this experiment was to make a ferrofluid. So pretty much a ferrofluid is a special liquid with tiny magnetic particles floating around inside of it. Since these particles are attached to each other, they need to be coated with a special substance that prevents them from sticking together, so that the ferrofluid remains fluid. So what makes a ferrofluid so special is that in the presence of an outside magnetic field, like the one we created or attempted to create with our rare earth magnets here, each of the tiny particles becomes magnetized, and the ferrofluid condenses into a solid, into a shape, which I was hoping to get when I put my magnet underneath my glass. I was hoping to get some type of shape, just to show that the magnet is strong enough to levitate those iron particles. But unfortunately, like I hypothesized before, my magnets are pretty small, so I don't think they had the strength to create the solid ferrofluid effect. But yeah, maybe I'll get stronger magnets and try this again. This was pretty messy, so I'll definitely have to not do this in my office area next time. But yep, that's interactive advanced concept presentation number 7.